Welcome back to another video, guys, and in this one I'm going to show you how to publish Canva designs to social media. From the dashboard above, select share, click on see all, scroll down to social, then select schedule. You would have already had to have your accounts connected to Canva, so like your Instagram, your Facebook, LinkedIn, or whichever social media account that you have. If not, you would just go through these settings and make sure that you follow accordingly. And if you do, you just select connect Instagram business via Facebook. Once all that is done, you'll be able to write a caption, so you can add post text and hashtags from here. And also you can schedule or post immediately to Instagram. Also, you'll be able to schedule and post, so you can publish immediately or schedule the post for later. Direct publishing turns Canva into both a design tool and a social media manager. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.